Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Digital oscilloscopes have revolutionized the way engineers, technicians, and hobbyists analyze and troubleshoot electronic circuits. These versatile instruments provide real-time visual representations of electrical signals, making it easier to diagnose problems, design circuits, and test electronic components. With advancements in technology, the market is flooded with a wide range of digital oscilloscopes, each offering unique features and capabilities to cater to diverse needs. In this article, we will explore the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes available today, taking into consideration factors such as performance, features, affordability, and user-friendliness. Whether you're a professional in need of a high-end oscilloscope or a hobbyist looking for an affordable option, our list will help you make an informed decision and find the perfect tool for your electronic testing and measurement needs. Number 5. ZEEWEII DS03D12 Digital Oscilloscope. One of the standout features of the ZEEWEII DS03D12 is its affordability. It's a budget-friendly option that provides decent functionality without compromising on quality. For its price, the DS03D12 performs admirably. It offers a bandwidth of 100 MHz and a sample rate of 1 GS per second, which is sufficient for most hobbyist and educational purposes. It accurately captures and displays waveforms with good clarity. This oscilloscope is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It's great for those who might need to work on electronics projects in various locations. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Even if you're new to oscilloscopes, you can quickly get the hang of it. Number 4. FNIRSI 1014D Digital Oscilloscope. One of the standout features of the FNIRSI 1014D is its impressive specifications. With a real-time sampling rate of 1 GHz and a bandwidth of 100 to 349 MHz, it offers a level of performance that rivals many higher-end oscilloscopes. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from hobbyist projects to professional electronic design. The 7-inch display with a resolution of 800-480 pixels is bright, clear, and responsive. It provides a detailed view of waveforms and measurements, making it easy to analyze signals. The large screen size is a definite plus, especially when working on complex circuits. With 2 digital channels, the FNIRSI 1014D allows you to monitor and compare 2 signals simultaneously. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting and debugging circuits, as it helps you identify correlations between different parts of your design. Number 3. UNI-T UDP3305's Digital Oscilloscope. First and foremost, the build quality of the UDP3305s is solid. It feels sturdy and well constructed, which is essential for a piece of equipment that may see frequent use. The controls are well placed and intuitive to use, making it easy to navigate through the various functions and settings. One of the standout features of this oscilloscope is its impressive performance. With a bandwidth of 300 MHz, it can handle a wide range of signal frequencies, making it suitable for both basic and more advanced applications. The sample rate of 2 GHz per second ensures that I can capture even the fastest transient signals accurately. The display is sharp and clear, and I appreciate that it's a digital-only display, as it eliminates the need to deal with analog knobs and settings. The user interface is well designed, making it easy to adjust settings, trigger signals, and analyze waveforms. The inclusion of multiple trigger modes and automatic measurements further enhances its usability. Number 2. UNI-T UTD2202CEX Plus Digital Oscilloscope. The 7-inch display with an 800x480 pixel resolution is a standout feature of the UTD2202CEX Plus. The screen is crisp, clear, and provides ample space to view waveforms and measurements. The oscilloscope feels robustly built, and the controls are intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the various functions. With a real-time sampling rate of 1 GHz per second and a maximum waveform capture rate of 30,000 WFM per second, this oscilloscope delivers exceptional performance. It ensures that I can capture even the most intricate details of signals with accuracy and precision. The 100 to 349 MHz bandwidth is more than sufficient for my needs, allowing me to work on a wide range of electrical projects. Having 2 digital channels is a definite advantage, especially for troubleshooting and analyzing complex circuits. The UTD2202CEX Plus provides the flexibility to monitor and compare 2 different signals simultaneously, saving time and effort during testing. Number 1. Owon XDS2102A Digital Oscilloscope. The XDS2102A boasts a real-time sampling rate of 1 GHz per second and a 20 m record length, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether I'm working on analog or digital signals, this oscilloscope provides crisp and accurate waveforms with excellent fidelity. The 100 to 349 MHz bandwidth ensures that I can work with a variety of signals, from low frequency to high frequency, without any issues. The 7-inch display with a resolution of 800 x 600 pixels is sharp and easy to read even for extended periods. Navigating through the menus and settings is intuitive, thanks to the well-organized user interface. The touchscreen is responsive, making it a breeze to set up and adjust parameters. Having 2 digital channels at my disposal has greatly enhanced my ability to analyze complex circuits and signals. The channels are synchronized perfectly, and the oscilloscope's ability to display and overlay multiple waveforms simplifies my work. Thanks for watching this video.